Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I'm here today with a very simple recipe of chicken pepper roast. This will require very minimal ingredients, nothing fancy, very basic ingredients, and you'll make this in no time. So I really want you to try this as soon as you see this recipe. This chicken pepper roast is very famous in Kerala. They make this with meat too, and then they taste super flavorful. But this is my version. I really want you guys to try it. So do give a try and let me know if you love this or not. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. I really hope you all subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. So let me now show you the ingredients to boil the chicken. Here I have taken 1 kg of chicken cut into medium size, washed and drained well. You can see the chunks, they are very small, not too big. And here rest of the ingredients are, that is 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, the fresh one I have made, and this is half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt will be according to your taste. Now in any pot of your choice, you can take the chicken pieces, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder and salt. Add all the ingredients along with just half cup of water. If you have not drained the chicken well, you really don't need to add any water to this because chicken will leave its own. But my chicken was drained well, that's why I have added half cup. And here just mix it well and let it cook for about 20 minutes maybe, depending on the size of your chicken. Mine took around 20 minutes because immediately in 5 to 10 minutes you can see there's a lot of water leaving. This is from the chicken, what you can see. And I cooked this till the water was dried, and then but I made sure the chicken was not overcooked. And now let me show you the ingredients to make the masala. Here I have taken 3 large onions finely chopped and 2 green chilies. You can add more green chilies if you want. If you want to make it spicy. And then this is 1 large tomato. Do not add too much of tomato, so 1 is enough. And half cup of coriander leaves and handful of curry leaves. You'll require the very fresh one. And this is the chicken what we cooked. It's around 95% fully cooked. And here are the rest of the ingredients what we need. That is 2 tablespoons full of freshly powdered pepper powder. Do not use the store bought because it would not give you so much flavor. And here I have taken just half teaspoon of garam masala powder and 1 tablespoon full of ginger garlic paste. Around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. And now let's begin to make this delicious pepper chicken. Here in a non-stick pan or a wok, I have taken oil, and then once it was hot I added the curry leaves. Once it starts spluttering, I'm adding the green chilies and the chopped onions. Here you need to fry the onions patiently. It may require some time because first it would turn to be translucent, as you can see in the video now, and then we'll have to wait till it gets light golden brown. It starts to caramelize. You can see the onions now. Do not turn it brown. Be careful to add the tomatoes as soon as you see the sides are getting a little golden. Now I've added the tomatoes here. Very finely chopped they are. And just in 2 minutes I added the ginger garlic paste. If you do not have ginger garlic paste, you can add the freshly chopped ginger garlic paste, what I usually do sometimes. And here now I'm adding the spices, which is just half teaspoon of garam masala powder and a lot of pepper powder, which is 2 tablespoonful. You can add more of pepper powder if you like because pepper is the main ingredient here. And then now I'm adding the chicken pieces, boiled chicken, and then just tossing it for a minute. And then the chicken stock, which actually has the flavor of the chicken, so do not waste it, just add it. Make sure if you have too much of chicken stock, just keep the flame on high always so that it really doesn't overcook the chicken if it is if the stock is too much. And then now you can see I've just closed the lid and kept it for 10 minutes so that all the flavor is absorbed. And then now you can see there's no more water left. And when you see this oil leaving its sides, that means your chicken pepper roast is ready to be served. So add the coriander leaves and just toss it for 30 more seconds. And here is your flavorful chicken pepper roast ready to be served with any kind of rotis or paratas are the best. Especially those Kerala paratas. If you have them with this pepper roast, they are gonna be amazing. And then do give a try on this recipe and let me know if you liked it or not. I'm sure you all will love it, so I really want you guys to try this. So coming to my extra points, just make sure you use the freshly home ground pepper powder because that gives the best flavor. And green chilies or pepper powder can always be added more according to the spice level, I mean your spice level. And do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures what you have tried from my channel. I'd really love to share it on my feed. Do not forget to tag me there on Salva's Delicious Kitchen. And I hope till now you all have subscribed my channel. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care guys. Bye bye.